Hi guys, my name is Kierin and I'm really happy to have you here with me today. In this video you'll learn the 5 biggest mistakes that new cryptocurrency investors make. And I do not want you to make the same mistakes. It's very important that you watch the entire video. Do not skip out on any parts because you will not want to miss the mistakes that I will share with you. I've been in the cryptocurrency space since early 2015 and I've seen many different kind of scams. I've seen friends make mistakes. I've seen different cryptocurrency investors promote bad coins and do a whole array of different mistakes that cost them a lot of money. Every tip I share with you is super valuable to you in order to not lose any money in the cryptocurrency market and make the most profit possible. So let's dive into the juicy part of the content, the 5 biggest mistakes that new cryptocurrency investors make. Even though this video is aimed at new cryptocurrency investors, I've seen many different investors that have been in the space for a long time do the same mistakes. The first biggest mistake that most new cryptocurrency investors do is over-diversifying their cryptocurrency portfolio. They start out with one coin, next week they've got another cryptocurrency project that they want to follow, and before they know it, they've got 50 different cryptocurrency projects that they invested in with small amounts. The information overload is just mind-blowing. The amount of different cryptocurrency news you have to follow, the different types of wallets you have to install, making sure that you can track where all these coins are that you've invested. In my opinion, you will just cut through your profits by over-diversifying. It's best to keep to a small amount of cryptocurrencies that you believe in the long term and just don't over-diversify. Especially if you're investing lower amounts of money into the cryptocurrency space, it's better to keep this money in a few very long-term valuable projects. Mistake number 2. Cloud mining and mining in general. Me personally, I believe that 99.999% of all cloud mining companies are a scam. And even if they're not a scam, they will not be profitable for you as a retail investor. So I'd highly recommend you to keep your distance from any cloud mining projects. Doesn't really matter what they're encouraging you to invest in, just stay away from them and invest into some reliable projects. I mean, just in the top 5 cryptocurrencies, you're gonna find some reliable projects to invest in and you have a lot higher return on investment than investing in any type of cloud mining contracts. Now, even though mining on its own is a legitimate way to make money, I'd highly recommend also just invest into different projects instead of mining. In the long run, if you're living in a country where the electricity is not super low, you probably make more money just investing into reliable projects such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, Monero, and many other ones in the top 20 coins. Mistake number 3, trading before you know what trading is. If you're new to the cryptocurrency market and you don't have any experience with trading, I just suggest that you select a few projects that you believe in and then you just invest your money and you do not try and day trade, do not try and time the market, and definitely do not try and leverage trade. Because one thing is sure, if you start day trading, leverage trading without years of experience and technical analysis, you certainly lose all your money. And one of the best kept secrets that most people don't realize is that you will make more money by doing nothing at all. You buy into the project, you forget it, you forget your portfolio. For the next 5 years, you'll probably make much more money than most successful traders, because many of the traders lose money and only a very small percentage actually makes money in the markets. Mistake number 4, not selling or not taking any profits. Now, this is one very painful mistake that many cryptocurrency investors made during the 2017 bull run. Many people, me including, were super euphoric during the rise of many different cryptocurrencies during the last bull run. We were blinded by the price increasingly rising that many people did not take as much out of the market as they could. Now, my suggestion for this is to dollar cost average out of the market. Set some expectations where you believe that you're happy with the profits that you've got, and as soon as the price reaches that price point, then start taking some of your profits out of the market. No one, I repeat, no one has lost any money by taking profits out of the market. Even if it's just your initial investment, I repeat, no one has lost any money taking profits out of the market. So that's one thing that I'd highly recommend that you keep in your mind, in your investment strategy for the next bull run. Make sure that you've got certain price points where you want to start exiting out of the market. Mistake number 5, don't buy a coin just because it has a low price. Make sure that you look at the market capitalization and the total supply of the coin. Just because the coin has a low price on CoinMarketCap does not mean it's undervalued, or it also doesn't mean that it's overvalued. I think it's very important that you look at it in relation to the total supply. So it could be that even though the price of the coin is low, since the total supply is massive, the market capitalization is also going to be massive. I've still got a bonus mistake that I want to share with you, but before I share that with you, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel out, especially if you enjoy the content. Then also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos that I'm posting. So the last bonus tip is do not invest in ICOs or high yield investment programs. I've seen so many people get burned with ICOs. I've seen so many people get burned with high yield investment programs. 99.9% of all ICOs are scams. And I remember the ICO craze of 2017. The only people that made money during the ICOs were the very few that selected maybe 0.01% of the successful projects. The other people that made money were those that bought into the ICO and managed to sell it at the beginning, that where the project launched on an exchange. But that meant that many of the other investors were left with heavy bags, and to this day they're probably still 99.9% down on their investment. To bring this to an end, do your own research, read about the projects that you want to invest in a long-term time frame. That's where you get the biggest profits. And last but not least, don't just buy some various projects just because one person on Reddit or YouTube told you that it's going to be the next best altcoin in 2020 or 2021. That was it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.